Welcome back to Gear Lab, where we turn ordinary shopping lists into survival arsenals. Today, you're about to see 20 legal tactical and survival gadgets you can still grab on Amazon that most people don't even know exist. Some are banned in other countries. Some are so powerful you'll think they should be banned. But every single one is 100% legal right here in the US for now. Stay to the end, because number 3 might be the most insane legal survival tool Amazon has ever sold, and it's already going viral. All right, lock in. Let's count him down. Imagine lighting your BBQ, melting cheese, welding, and starting a campfire, all with one 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit flame in your hand. The TBTeek propane torch delivers up to 800,000 BTUs. That's enough to turn cold steak into sizzling perfection in seconds. Rugged, portable, and built like a tank. This isn't just a torch, it's a flamethrower for your weekend. Imagine lighting your BBQ, melting cheese, welding, and starting a campfire, all with one 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit flame in your hand. The TBTeek propane torch delivers up to 800,000 BTUs. That's enough to turn cold steak into sizzling perfection in seconds. Rugged, portable, and built like a tank. This isn't just a torch, it's a flamethrower for your weekend. It fits in your pocket but fires stainless steel darts up to 30 feet. The MADSABRE dart launcher is part survival tool, part James Bond gadget. Comes with 10 razor-sharp darts and a nylon sheath. Just don't leave this one lying around. This blade looks like it came straight from a sci-fi movie. The titanium spiral dagger is quad-edge, spiral cut, and has a hidden compartment in the handle. It's not just a collector's piece. It's a conversation starter that demands respect. If you're already making a wish list in your head, good. All the links are down below. Every click supports the channel and keeps us finding gear this wild. This full-auto BB rifle spits 1,400 rounds a minute. The Crosman K1 isn't just for fun. It's a training beast for anyone wanting realistic handling without live ammo. Dual CO2 power, folding stock, and quad rails for all your tactical toys. If Robin Hood had a sniper rifle, it'd be the Ravin R10 Crossbow. Rifle-like accuracy, 100-yard illuminated scope, and so lightweight you can hunt all day without feeling it. Hunters are calling this the smoothest crossbow they've ever fired. Looks like a pump shotgun, but fires .68 caliber pepper rounds, rubber balls, or powder balls. The HDX less lethal shotgun is the perfect home defense option if you want stopping power without lethal force. 410 FPS. That's faster than most compound bows by a long shot. The TX28 has a decocking system so smooth you can do it with one hand, and a TriggerTech trigger so crisp it'll make you grin. This .22 caliber PCP air rifle pushes pellets at 900 FPS. Adjustable everything, stock, cheek riser, grip, so it fits like it's custom made for you. Quiet, deadly accurate, and legal backyard fun. By the way, which one so far would you actually carry? Drop your answer below. I'm reading the comments and picking my favorite for a shout out in the next video. At just 5.8 pounds, this American-made hunting crossbow hits 380 FPS and comes pre-sighted at 20 yards. Reverse draw means more power, less noise, and better balance. This is Ohio craftsmanship at its finest. It's a 3-to-1 scale compound bow in your hand. The Adderini shoots arrows up to 50 feet. Perfect for target fun, skill practice, or just making your friends say, "Wait, what is that?" Ever wish your crossbow folded like a tactical rifle? The Ballista folding adapter makes it happen. Compatible with BAT and BAT reverse crossbows, it deploys in seconds and locks rock solid. See heat through walls, spot electrical faults, or track wildlife in total darkness. The TOPDON TC004 has pro-level resolution, 12-hour battery, and video recording. Once you've used thermal, you'll never go back. Pitch black? Not anymore. These HD night vision binoculars record video, snap photos, and run for up to 20 hours on a single charge. Perfect for camping, security, or late-night adventures. Every single gadget here is linked below. Get yours while they're still in stock, especially before certain legal ones aren't anymore. No cell service? No problem. The ZOLEO lets you text, email, and send SOS alerts from anywhere on Earth. It's basically a lifeline in your pocket for off-grid explorers. Long road trip? This rad 480i spots police radar and laser from crazy distances, filters false alerts, and even connects to your car display via CarPlay or Android Auto. Hackers can steal your car without touching it, unless your keys are in this Faraday pouch. Military-grade signal blocking. Small price for big peace of mind. Track your car, boat, or anything. The LandAirSea 54 is magnetic, waterproof, and gives live updates to your phone. Parents, business owners, or anyone who values knowing, this is gold. When disaster hits, you don't have time to shop. This 72-hour kit for 2 people has food, water, blankets, first aid, everything you need to survive for 3 days. If you buy nothing else from this list, buy this. It's an air rifle that fires fishing arrows. Yes, you heard that right. The AirJavelin FishR combines bow fishing with P2P air rifle tech for the most fun you'll ever have on a dock. And that's our 20 legal tactical and survival gadgets. You can still buy on Amazon in 2025. Every single one is linked below. Your clicks support the channel and keep us bringing you the gear Amazon doesn't want you to know about. Hit LIKE if you found your new must-have. Comment the one you grabbed first, and subscribe so you never miss the drops. Until next time, stay sharp, stay free, and stay equipped.